Kwezi found herself at Liasa's house in the middle of the night after Gumede forced her to confess. Clement helped her and decided to use the opportunity to get his job back, which left everyone shocked. Now Nkosi is wondering what is it that Kwezi wanted to tell Lihasa. A relationship is brewing between Mahongwa and Togo, and Maroti is busy looking for Rachel high and low. I wonder what it is that he wants. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scheme Sam. Kwezi, after Gumede tortured her, forcing her to confess, tell the truth, Kwezi ended up at Lihasa's house. Ngati she sleepwalked and she drove there herself. She does not even know how she got there, insisting that she wants to speak to Lihasa. Lihasa is not around. Holiday, no pretty. Clement is like, no, Lihasa is not here. Now she's insisting, no, I'm Fihla when you are hiding him. And then after coming down, she realizes, what am I doing here? Clement is how, what do you mean with Zangmo? And then she goes back home. She's even sure she drove herself there. Now Nkosi is wondering, where were you Ubukupi when I came here and you were not here? She lies and said she went for a drive. And then she goes to the office. Now she's still scared because she's going to go to the office and find Ukomete, only to find that it's empty. Kantu Clement is already here to collect. He says that he's coming to check on Kwezi, just to check if she's okay, because he was worried about her the following day, the day before, the previous day. And now Kwezi wants to know, wants Clement not to tell Lihasa about what happened. But Clement saw an opportunity to use it to blackmail Kwezi, saying that you owe me. They go out for drinks, only for Clement to beg Kwezi to give him his job back. Now Kwezi is announcing that Clement is back. Now the staff is worried. What's going on? We thought you want nothing to do with that junkie. And then Kwezi is like, no, it's my company. What I say goes and all that. So Clement is back and he got his job back only because he helped Ukwezi at her time of need. Now this girl had to usihle to remind Clement that you better handle the pressure well and not go back to drugs. And then Ukwezi goes back home, finding Nkosi playing with LJ. But then she becomes disoriented again because Ukumete is back. And Ukumete is back to collect because Ukwezi has not confessed yet. And Ukumete did say that he needs to confess. Ukwezi keeps saying Ukumete must leave her child alone. Ukwezi is wondering, what's going on? Gumede, you know exactly why I'm here. You know exactly why I'm here. You need to do the right thing. Ukwezi then starts saying, no, I did go to Lihasa. I wanted to tell him everything, but he was not there. Now Ukwezi is wondering, what did you want to tell Lihasa? What? Because Ukwezi does not know Ukwezi now wants to confess or tell Lihasa the truth. Exactly Ukwezi, is it about what he did to Gumede? Or Lihasa is not the fighter LJ? Ngapha Peterson is busy obsessing Ukwezi and Nkosi walking free while the case is closed and babambe umuntu wrong, because Peterson knows that they are guilty and says that Ukwezi will not run away scot-free. The truth will come out. Ngapha relationship is growing, man, between Stogo and Alfred Mahongwa. Sparks are flying. Apparently she borrowed a sweater the day before during the braai because now she came to bring it. Even this guy can see that there's something going on. What's going on? Mahlatsi is still in the dark, but obviously it will come up. And then Mantuli is busy. Master Shongo is busy showing Mantuli videos from the previous day, the braai. And Stogo realizes, did you not bring container Mantuli? He was so scared. He went running to Alfred to try and get the container back, because Alfred is like, hey, whether you are brave, taking container Mantuli is going to kill you. Jiggy Shongo sees Wutsi they are braaiing and offers to braai. Now, Master Shongo is busy revealing his skills that he can cook, because obviously everyone was raving about his food at the braai. Now Ashiena offering to braai their ribs. Now even Alfred is saying, hey, Chef Kulu, let's leave you to do your work. Now Mahongwa is back, looking somehow like he's hiding from something. Even Maureen is shocked to see him back, because it's like, why have you not been to the office? I've been running the office alone, and now here you are, busy dining, go Kepsis. He says that he's looking for Rachel, and it's important because her safety depends on it. I wonder who's looking for Rachel for him to go to the lengths of even going to Maroti, to Mahongwa, and even calling him Ratswale, saying that he needs to see Rachel. But Mahongwa is like, I want nothing to do with Rachel. I don't want her near my kids. Last time I heard she was staying with Lieto. Are Lieto la maputla, like, why is Rachel staying with Lieto? I think that bruised his ego. Now I wonder what it is that he wants from Rachel if Umunyaka like so badly. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.